What's up, YouTube? It's windy as hell in Vegas, of course. The day that I decide to do the rest of my audio install, which is over there. I just did a little paint correction. I don't know if I'm gonna post that video because I was like busy working and not paying attention, so video looks like shit. I'm gonna take my glasses off because there's glare. I don't really need them right now anyway. So, update. I sold the seats, sold my hood, I got a hood. And now I'm going to finish the audio, install the seats. I got some RaceQuip FAA approved seats. I needed XL, of course. So XL seats and large for the passenger side. Of course, the large and the extra large are massively different. I don't know why. It's one size different, but you know, one's 3 inches taller than the other. But we'll see how they look. If they look like shit, I'll probably try to return them. Got the car cover on right now, which you can see the wind is parachuting it, so I'm going to take that off before it destroys the paint that I just fixed, because the paint looked like shit. So, working on that, and I got some hood dampers to maybe install. Might do some work on the S14 later, when Ricky gets here. But I think that's all I have to do. My steering wheel's not here yet, short hub and quick release aren't here yet. Work spells pushed back like 6 months, so I just got NRG for now, which, whatever, it is what it is. It's the, I thought I got the SFI one, but I didn't. I think I got just the race one, whatever, race handle. So, that should be here soon. I might install the seats with some fancy 12-point hardware. Oh, so my dumbass, new camera, don't really know what I'm doing. I accidentally turned off the autofocus, so there was like 2 weekends worth of footage that are trash. So I might upload it, but it looks so bad in comparison to this. So probably not going to upload it, but maybe I'll take some clips of what we were doing, because there's some spots where I like zoomed in and it focused, but it was bad. It's just all bad. I was so mad at myself. I was watching the footage like, why is it so blurry? Then I went back and the autofocus was off on the camera. So, alright, cool. Gonna get started, and I'll get some footage here and there of the install, and let me know how you guys like it. So to start this day off with a win, I'm just gonna install my hood dampers, because that's easy. See, this hood doesn't really match, different red. But at least it's red. That was a whole story. Maybe I'll sit in my office and give you guys a rundown on the situation that went with this. It's a little shitty paint job, but I only used my Porter Cable orbital buffer with the 3M paint correction kit. It wasn't too bad though. Came out, I mean, it's dirty again because it had the car cover on it, but it came out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. It still needs like a legit buff. Like, this is all scratched up now from that cover. So, whatever. It's a shitbox. Alright, so a quick little unboxing on this. I'm going to use this table for the seats and everything later, so busted it out. Got the P2M Phase 2 Motorsports hood damper kit. Honestly, just the cheapest one. It looks OEM. It's not a show car, so I don't need polished NRG or carbon. Let me just throw this out before it ends up in the neighbor's yard. I can already tell today's going to be a day with an explosion in it at some point from myself because of the wind. We live in like the windiest city on the planet now. Come on. Pretty sure I remember how to do these, but just in case. So yeah, top one. It goes around the bracket. It's actually a pretty good kit. I'm not a fan of the one for the 240 because the bracket like rotates. The second you tighten and you go to open and close the hood, it like rotates on itself. Those are the quick snap. The shock body goes towards the hood. Okay, pretty simple. Famous last words, as they say. Cool. Alright, let's get this Pulled apart. Good. I like this kit because it uses like an OEM style connector. So as you can see, it's just the retaining clip. It doesn't have that little metal spring clip that goes in, like the small holes are a pain in the ass. So I definitely prefer these. Let's get our hardware ready. I'm pretty sure the washers are for the, yeah, right, left, left. That goes with that. What do I need here? An Allen key. I think with that, it's probably a 5 mil. Brought out the whole set just to be safe because it was a 4 mil. Okay. Alright, let's get started. Nice. Alright, in the essence of being prepared, brought everything over. That's got to come off. Alright, so this is all got to come off anyway because I got to do my speaker wire install for the amp or the power runs. So fill up my kangaroo pouch here. Jesus Christ, if I would have hit my wheels, I would have lost my mind. I got a little ahead of myself, so I'm going to pop all these clips out. That one. Take this cover off. Oof. Man, these things suck. That went right in my mouth. Oh, that was trash. Broken plastic everywhere. Man, these things are trash. Oh, one more. Okay. While I'm here, let me just take all this off so I can get to the back of the battery and the firewall. I deleted my windshield washer reservoir because it was broken when I got the car, so maybe I should just remove that completely. See what that entails later. Jesus. Bro. This is crazy. A lot of the factory ones are just like jammed. Nothing like a good old trusty hookah tub for clips. Let's see here. Come on, you motherfucker. There it goes. Okay. And there they all go. The wind. this the broken one? No. I probably just picked up the broken one. Yep. All right. What's going on?
Wow, that's dirty down there.
Okay, well, we need to get to this later. There's a perfect spot for me to run the wire through, but I'll deal with that later. I need to get behind the battery, see if that pin is back there for the battery tie down. It's missing, so maybe I'll pull the battery out and wipe that whole area down. Also looks like I have no cabin air filter, so that's cool. No wonder the interior was so damn dusty. Oh, gotta get one of those. Alright, so I believe it's this 10 mil and this 12. Thankfully these are labeled, very simple, right and right, left and left. Pop off this nut right here. And then this goes over like that, kind of locks itself in. Nice and tight. Nice and tight. Pop this 10 mil off. And this goes on towards the fender, if you guys can see that. The L part of the bracket goes towards fender. Send this guy down. I'm pretty sure that's right. Now the instruction said, very important, that if you're going to rotate this, which this goes in this way and this is oriented that way, it says to rotate this only clockwise. So, did that. You just pop that guy on and pop that guy on, and that's it. So now we'll knock out that side. Fortunately, let's take off that whole cover again, but that's basically the install. And I'll do a quick video when this is all done, since the camera's about to fall over with this wind. Alright, prop is gone. I can't close it yet because I got all this out, and like I said, I gotta pull the battery and get ready to do the interior. So I'm gonna start taking that apart, and I was gonna videotape everything today, but thanks to Mother Nature, I don't want my camera to fall and break. So I'll just give you guys updates when I can grab the camera and hold it. But I'm gonna start with pulling the back plastics. So I'll show you real quick. Turn that guy around. So all this needs to come out to get to these speakers. Here, let me fix the camera. Alright, that's better. So these two speakers I need to replace. I need to finish running all these RCAs and all this other shit that you can't see because the camera's not focusing. But this needs to come out, those need to come out. I need to take the center piece out, center console out. That requires this to come out, so it's a bit of a job, but I already have most of the trim pulled. So seats are gone, new seats are coming in. I gotta vacuum all this out one more time, So I'm going to do that at the end before the seats go back in. So I'm going to start here, pull this, then this, and these and everything, and then knock out the speakers, run the amp wires, knock out the amp, put it all back together and get the seats back in today. That's the plan. Let's go.